Hi guys, Neil Waterhouse. One big mistake I see a lot of eBay beginners make is they cancel orders on eBay the wrong way, creating transaction defects, which stops their eBay listings showing in the eBay search results. In this video, I'll show you how you can cancel sales on eBay without getting transaction defects. If anybody new to this channel, my name is Neil Waterhouse. I've been selling on eBay for 24 years and I'm the author of $1 Million eBay Business from Home. So let's launch straight into it. Now, the reason why it's so critical to cancel eBay sales the correct way is so your eBay account does not get transaction defects for cancelling sales. The reason this is so important is eBay keeps a very close eye on the ratio of completed sales to cancelled sales for every eBay seller. This creates an average for every eBay seller worldwide of how many items they cancel compared to how many completed sales they receive. If your eBay account has a cancellation rate much higher than the average of all other eBay sellers, eBay will throttle your account by not showing your listings in the eBay search results. This is why it's so important to cancel orders the correct way. First of all, if you have oversold an item, first always do your very best to find another supplier to fulfill your order. Some suppliers keep a buffer stock of fast selling items, so when an item goes out of stock, they often still do have this buffer stock available. First, contact your supplier and explain that you've oversold this item, and is there any chance they might have a spare one so they can fill this order and help you out. Next, try to find another supplier who has the item in stock. Often there's many suppliers importing exactly the same items. And to do this, right-click on the photo of the item using Google Chrome and select Search with Google Lens and try to find an identical image from another supplier. Often there are several importers who import exactly the same items. Next, type the name of the item into Google and see if you can find the item that way. And also check to see if there's any other eBay sellers who have this item in stock. Many eBay sellers use other eBay sellers as their suppliers. Also, check Amazon. However, don't get the item delivered straight from Amazon FBA to your customer, as it'll be in an Amazon box, and that's against eBay policies. Note though, that with Amazon FBM standing for Fulfillment by Merchant, items are sent by sellers and not by Amazon. And going forward, make sure you check your supplier inventory a minimum of twice per day for any item that you've listed on eBay. You can also automate this process of supplier inventory checking using a program like Scarcity Manager that automatically checks your suppliers. And if your supplier runs out of stock, Scarcity Manager will automatically make your listings go to zero. Now, if you cannot find another supplier for your item, the next step is to message your customer using eBay Messenger with a message like this. Hi, username, how are you? This is your name from your eBay username. Thank you for your order. I'm really sorry, but when we processed your order, we discovered it to be defective and we don't want to supply you with a defective product. I'm trying to think of how to compensate you. What do you think? Would you like to cancel the order? Or we also sell other product, and if the product's cheaper, I can refund you the difference. Please let me know. Sincerely, your name. Now, the customer may simply just cancel the order themselves after they get this message, or if you cancel the order, go to eBay and click on My eBay, then Orders, awaiting postage, then click the little arrow next to the order and select Cancel Order. Now click the Select button and select Buyer Asked to Cancel. Don't select Out of Stock or Damaged or Issue with Buyer's Delivery Address. If you do select Out of Stock or Damaged or Issue with Buyer's Delivery Address, eBay will normally ask you to provide proof. Selecting Buyer Asked to Cancel will avoid getting a defect on your account. If you want to know more strategies to reduce eBay defects, make sure you watch this video up here. And I'll also put a link on the screen and below. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section below. And if you found any value in this video, please give it a thumbs up as it helps the channel. And make sure you hit the subscribe button to the no fluff, ad-free channel that teaches step by step how anyone can make a full-time living from their home using less than $100. Until next week, stay safe, listen more, sell more. This is Neil Waterhouse.